Hey subbies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree here, and today we're back with another men's hair care video. And as you can see, he has flaked up since the last time he's been in this chair, okay? So today we're going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse just to see how it works for his scalp and if it helps with his dandruff. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. And let's get started on his head, honey. So I already have water inside of this applicator bottle. I'm just going to go ahead and pour some apple cider vinegar inside of the bottle to mix in with the water. As you can see, I did like about 4 ounces or so. Now we're going to be parting his hair. I'm going to focus this mixture on his scalp and his roots. Of course, you can go along the hair, but I'm focusing on the scalp because that is where our problem is. And that is where I really want to get in the apple cider vinegar. So as I put the apple cider vinegar on his hair, you can see that it basically just like melts the dandruff and the dirt and stuff away. I absolutely love this stuff. So I'm going to keep doing this throughout the rest of his head. I'm going to go ahead and detangle each part and twist it up so it's out the way, just kind of like we did for the last video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, you guys, you see how yummy that looks? Do you guys see how, ooh, look at that. And then once I put the apple cider vinegar on it, look at it. So I'm really liking this so far. It seems to be really working, and well, not, I won't say working, but it seems to be helping as far as I can tell. Hopefully this is a really good thing for him. So his hair is all nice and clean now. We have rinsed the apple cider vinegar out and we washed it, and we are left with these little flakes that are just, you know, hanging there. So I'm just gonna comb those out, no biggie. And then his scalp, you see here, is actually real nice and healthy. There's no irritation, there's no crazy flaking. So the apple cider vinegar seems to have done its job so far. I'm using this leave-in conditioner to spray on his hair for moisturization. He's been using a lot of coconut products because they have been helping him with his dandruff. So I'm using the coconut milk and honey by African Pride leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to go ahead in with this oil. Now, I haven't used the various oils on him, so we'll get into that maybe in another video, but yeah. And I'm going to go ahead in with this Detangler 2000 ceramic blow dryer just to stretch out his hair because he does get his hair braided. So this is his hair all blown out, and as you can see, his scalp is still looking good, still healthy. There isn't no irritation, no rashing, none of that stuff, no flaking, none of that, okay? And here I'm just showing you the front so you can just get a good idea of like how his more troublesome spots are looking. And I know he's a little red there, but you know, that's normal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and smack that thumbs up button, okay? Slap the subscribe button, all right? Because we're still on the road to 1K. So make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe. Comment below if you guys have any other suggestions of what we can do for his hair. And as always, see you guys in my next one. Peace.
It's poppin'. You like my hair?